For centuries, at the first signs of illness, many parents and grandparents have turned to castor oil for their children to boost their immune system and speed healing. It has also been used by folk healers worldwide for thousands of years to treat various health conditions. For example, the famous benefits of castor oil can be traced back to the ancient Egyptians, who used it to treat eye irritation and as a powerful natural skin care agent. What is castor oil used for today? Buckle up and get ready to uncover the secrets and mysteries of castor oil, 'cause, in this video, we'll take a closer look at the fascinating history and modern-day uses of castor oil. Number 7. Beneficial for constipation. Castor oil can be beneficial for constipation. Castor oil is a natural laxative used for centuries to reduce constipation. It works by stimulating the muscles of the intestines to contract and push stool out of the body. However, it is essential to mention that castor oil should be used with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. While it can be effective for constipation, it can also cause abdominal cramping, diarrhea, and dehydration if misused. In addition, castor oil should not be used for prolonged periods or in high doses, as this can lead to electrolyte imbalances and other health issues. Overall, while castor oil can be a helpful tool for relieving constipation, it should be used judiciously and with the guidance of a healthcare professional. Number 6. Improving the immune system. One of the main reasons castor oil has powerful immune-enhancing effects is that it supports the body's lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is distributed throughout the body in small tube-like structures. Its main role is to absorb and remove excess fluid, proteins, and waste from our cells. Castor oil can help improve lymphatic drainage, blood flow, thymus health, and other immune system functions. For this reason, castor oil and other parts have been utilized in traditional systems of medicine to treat the following health conditions: abdominal disorders, backache, arthritis, constipation, parasitic infections, muscle aches, chronic headaches, PMS, gallbladder pain, sleep problems like insomnia, rheumatism. A small, double-blind study published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine discovered that adults who used abdominal castor oil packs on their stomachs significantly increased lymphocyte production compared to patients who used a placebo pack. Lymphocytes are the immune system's natural disease fighters that attack external invaders such as toxins, bacteria, and other perceived threats. The lymphatic system also affects the circulatory and digestive systems. This oil is sometimes used to support heart health and treat constipation. Number 5. Moisturizing the skin. Castor oil is natural and free of synthetic chemicals, as long as you're using 100% pure oil. Still, it's rich in skin-enhancing ingredients like fatty acids. Applying this oil to very dry or irritated skin can help prevent dryness and keep it well moisturized by preventing moisture loss. It can also help heal wounds and pressure ulcers due to its moisturizing and antimicrobial properties. It mixes well with other ingredients such as olive, almond, and coconut oil, all of which have unique benefits for the skin. Laboratory studies have shown castor oil is effective against several bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Of all, Staphylococcus aureus is considered the most dangerous, causing mild to severe skin infections and other symptoms associated with staphylococci. Number 4. Boosting circulation. A healthy lymphatic system and proper circulation go hand in hand. Circulation problems are more likely to occur when the lymphatic system is dysfunctional, or edema develops, which is the retention of toxins and fluid. This is because lymphatic circulation works directly with cardiovascular circulation to keep blood and lymph fluid levels balanced. According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, there is increasing evidence that the lymphatic system affects the health of several organs, including the heart, lungs, and brain. Thus, castor oil's ability to affect our lymphatic system can positively affect the lymphatic system. This means better overall circulation and improved health of larger organs such as the heart. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 3 on our list. Number 3. Helping induce labor. Castor oil is a natural labor stimulant with a long history. Pregnant women have taken it orally to help speed up uterine contractions for centuries. In fact, it is one of the most popular drugs used to induce labor in non-medical settings. According to research, castor oil can induce labor because the ricinoleic acid in castor oil can activate EP3 prostaglandin receptors in the uterus. Some animal experiments show that the active ingredients in the oil bind to molecules that cause muscles, including the intestines and uterus, to contract. A 2018 observational case control study found that castor oil use was associated with a greater likelihood of labor beginning within 24 hours. Castor oil can be considered a safe, drug-free method of labor induction. In addition, full-term female study participants, between 40 and 41 weeks, who used castor oil had a lower rate of cesarean deliveries. One downside to using castor oil to help with labor, and the reason it's not commonly used in hospitals, is that some women experience nausea after using it. Number 2. Boosting skin health. As a natural antimicrobial agent, castor oil works like coconut oil to promote skin health. It is also a good overall skin moisturizer and anti-inflammatory spot treatment. If you want to get rid of acne forever, you should find the root of the problem. Castor oil is an excellent natural home remedy for acne. Penetrating deep into the skin, it fights bacterial overgrowth that can clog pores while softening and hydrating your irritated skin. As mentioned earlier, this oil has been indicated to fight Staphylococcus aureus, which is associated with the development of acne. Number 1. Relieving arthritis symptoms. Castor oil is often utilized as a natural remedy for gout pain, swollen joints, and inflammation. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties, making it an ideal massage oil to use on sore joints, muscles, or tissues. Observational studies have even revealed that topical application of ricinoleic acid, the main component of castor oil, has significant analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects. A randomized, double-blind, comparative clinical trial investigated the effects of castor oil capsules on knee osteoarthritis symptoms. Overall, castor oil is a powerful and versatile oil that can be used in various ways to promote health and well-being. Whether you are looking to improve the health of your hair and skin or relieve constipation, castor oil may be a natural and effective solution. Share your ideas and experiences about castor oil in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Hope you have a wonderful day.